Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Next, we're looking at something we've genuinely never seen before, the Huawei Pura X View. Wow, just wow. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. I don't think we've ever seen a phone with an aspect ratio like this. The secret is its 16 to 9.5 ratio and 6.39-inch display. It feels incredibly comfortable in the hand while still giving you plenty of screen space. It's also slightly narrower than the Pura X, which uses a 16 to 10 ratio. And just look at those bezels, only 1.05 millimeters. For comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has 1.36 millimeter bezels, but Huawei pushes even further with an incredible 96.1% screen-to-body ratio. If this cardboard machine says it's second, I honestly don't know who could claim first. You get a solid, comfortable phone with a surprisingly spacious display, and it weighs just 200 grams. So what does 200 grams actually mean? It's about 30 grams lighter than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and even lighter than a 140-watt charger, a 330-milliliter bottle, or an empty mug. Now, thickness is even more impressive. It's just 6.68 millimeters thick, over 2 millimeters thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, thinner than an HB pencil, and even thinner than a stylus. And here's the crazy part. Despite being this thin and light, Huawei still packs in a huge 7,000 milliamp battery. That means serious battery life without the extra bulk. But how much wider does the display actually feel? Compared with a regular cardboard cutout, you get a wider viewing area for short videos, long videos, comics, and gaming. Normal cardboard cutouts have 2 slits. Huawei's has 3, giving you a noticeably wider view. So wider isn't just about making the screen bigger, it's about showing more content while keeping those bezels incredibly slim. In fact, this 6.39-inch Huawei cardboard cutout can display more content than a 6.9-inch cutout, making the experience feel far more immersive. Because honestly, we don't always need a bigger screen. We need a more usable screen, more usable space that's still easy to carry and comfortably fits in your pocket. And of course, here's the back. The horizontal camera module houses the main camera, telephone lens, red peak sensor, and ultra-wide-angle lens. So why do you think Huawei was the first company to create something this wide? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And remember, this is only an unboxing and first impression video. I'll be bringing you a full in-depth review very soon. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button and join our tech team. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!